Traditional Salesforce is a high-tech steering wheel. It's great, but it still requires a human to turn it. Headless 360 turns Salesforce into an autonomous engine. Contrast traditional automation, Flow/Einstein Copilot waiting for UI triggers, with truly autonomous agents that think, decide, and act via APIs. Traditionally, closing a case isn't as simple as it sounds. You have to follow at least 5 different steps, one after another. Previously, the process to close a case was too lengthy that, in the first step, you would have to open the app launcher and search service, then click on the service option. Then in the second step, you will have to click on the cases option. After that, in third step, you will have to click on the required case number. Then, in fourth step, you will have to click on the close case option. Change the case status to close, and after that, select the required reason to close the case. After that, click on Save. Now the required case has been closed. Traditionally, closing a case isn't as simple as it sounds. You have to follow at least 5 different steps, one after another. Log the issue, verify the details, get approvals, update the records, and finally, close it out. 5 steps, multiple people, multiple delays. What should take minutes ends up taking days, but it doesn't have to be this way anymore. But now you can do it simply by searching Claude AI in your browser and open its website. After that, simply give the command to close the case, along with the required case number and the reason. Now, as you can see on the screen, that the case has been closed.